From fresh cornfields to advanced factory technology, this is the complete sweet corn processing journey. Watch every stage that transforms sweet into premium corn milk and pure cornstarch.
Every day, billions of sweet corn kernels begin an incredible journey inside one of the world's most advanced food processing factories. The journey begins with carefully harvested sweet corn, selected at peak freshness to preserve its natural sweetness, nutrition, and
Freshly harvested sweet corn is transported directly to the factory, ensuring every kernel arrives in perfect condition for processing.
Every shipment is carefully unloaded and inspected before entering the production line, ensuring only premium quality sweet corn continues.
The sweet corn is thoroughly washed with filtered water to remove every trace of dirt and impurities, preparing it for the next stage. Automatic dehusking machines quickly remove every corn husk, preparing clean ears for precise food processing.
Powerful cleaning systems remove every strand of corn silk, leaving perfectly clean sweet corn for the next stage.
Precision blades separate kernels from every corn cob.
AI cameras remove damaged kernels with incredible accuracy. Psst, psst, psst. Powerful mills grind corn into a smooth slurry.
Extraction tanks separate valuable nutrients from the slurry.
Advanced filters remove fine particles from the liquid.
Centrifuges separate corn milk from pure cornstarch. Both products flow through separate stainless steel pipelines.
Corn milk is blended for smooth, consistent quality. Pasteurization makes the corn milk safe and fresh.
The corn milk is rapidly cooled before filling.
Extra moisture is removed from the cornstarch. Hot air quickly dries the purified cornstarch. Cooled starch is prepared for quality inspection. Screening creates smooth, uniform cornstarch powder. Every batch is tested before production continues. Creamy corn milk is filled into sterile cartons. After filling, the cartons are automatically sealed. Automatic sealers securely close every corn milk carton. Production details are printed on every carton. Robots pack finished cartons into transport boxes. Pure cornstarch fills every bag with precision. Every starch bag is tightly sealed automatically. Every starch bag is tightly sealed automatically. Every package is checked for accurate weight. Automatic labeling completes every starch package.